6.5 years of making wood-fired pizzas their way. This is Blackbird Woodfire.
Basil going on the harder salami.
The food is fantastic.
Wild mushroom pizza, table 1.
There's absolutely nothing like a wood-fired pizza coming straight out of the oven.
This was the first legit wood-fired pizza place, and so we were kind of over the moon.
And that pie biz was born when respiratory therapist Casey Absey turned tinkering into a whole new career.
I was gonna build an old-fashioned barbecue in my backyard, made a wood-fired oven. And the next year, I built one on a trailer, and we started doing festivals.
What makes you different in the world of wood-fired pizza?
I think we have more of a Mediterranean spin on things. My dad's folks came from Lebanon. Well, my mom was Norwegian.
Lebanese Norwegian.
A Lebanese.
A Lebanese. Got a pep going in hot?
I think you have to judge a good pizza by its dough.
Don't you know? Sorry, I had to take the shot.
It's just that perfect level of crispiness, but it still stays chewy.
We're gonna make pizza dough.
All right.
2 cups of salt.
Now, wait a second. Salt before yeast?
Yeah. Water.
When in North Dakota.
1 bag of flour.
All purpose?
Then I throw my yeast in.
Are we gonna bloom the yeast?
Nope.
Okay.
Bread flour.
No high gluten?
Nope.
No 00?
Nope.
Okay.
We're not trying to be Italian.
Okay, your house. How long is this gonna mix?
20 minutes.
And then you'll let this proof.
We'll ball it up first.
Wait. You're not gonna proof before you ball?
Nope. Proof's in the box, 24 hours in the cooler.
This is unconventional to 99% of the pizza joints I've ever gone
Just lots of experimenting. Putting apples on the sausage apple pizza.
Sausage and apple pizza is literally the one I have every time.
When it comes to the table, it's a piece of art.
to. Sausage apple pizza is a norm around here?
Nope, just here.
All right, what are we on to now?
The bechamel. Half pound of butter, flour, and make a roux. Then we add the milk, garlic powder, parsley, bay leaf, chili flakes, nutmeg, and salt and pepper.
Bechamel's done. Next up.
The sausage, it's all local pork, salt, pepper, fennel,
A lot of it.
oregano, sugar, parsley, chili flakes, granulated garlic.
Mix this up.
Bake it, 425.
Let's take a look at this dough. It's gentle. Boy, that's got a lot of elasticity for bread dough.
Bechamel on it, Parmesan, our homemade sausage, apples, sage, goes in,
And that's all she wrote. Gorgeous. Oh, square.
snap pea micros.
It's your everyday Lebanese Norwegian pizza. That is one delicious pizza. Great chew to the crust. Get a nice crackle on the outside with true gluten-style flour pull. And this little bechamel Parmesan cheese program works completely right. Sausage still has good fat to it, a lot of great apple. The key at the end, though, that fresh herb on top. I can just go on and on about it. Outstanding.
Thanks, sir. Sausage apple pizza, table 4.
There's this sweet combination between the sweet of the green apple and then you also get the salty of the sausage.
It's a perfect crust. It's the reason why we come here.